Hi there, welcome once again to my blog TRW stockbrokers.wordpress.com. Today we did see what the market did for the 28th of December 2011, the final week of 2011, and it's there for another holiday shortened week with the market closing early on Friday ahead of the new year. The Santa Claus rally stalled today as the NSE ASI took a bidder down by about 146.03 points, ending the 6 days winning streak. The index gathered a total of 737.32 points in 6 days, breaking a 50-day moving average, which is here, on good volume. The last time we saw a good rally above this level was on the 5th May and terminated about 60. That's we're looking as far back as May. These were the areas in May. Then it rallied, hit two double tops along the 100-day moving average, and this was the last time we saw that rally. That was about 16th of June, and since then we've been trading lower highs and lower lows until we saw a good rally in October and another one in December. So the current rally today failed to break the 100-day moving average of 20,100 we had discussed earlier on. This was it. I did say profit taking was going to happen within this area because it was heading towards September highs, where we saw a lot of profit taking within this level due to short-term overbought condition, leading to huge profit taking and has put pressure across the board. Clearly the market has come to an end of yet another mini rally and needs to ease off a little before it can find energy to go higher. Well, so far I've always said December rallies are always very interesting, because if you look at the history of the market, I can go back to my charts. Let's go. We are now within a December rally. Last year, this was the last December rally. We saw market rally from December and 2010 and hit, and the last time we saw a good was till January. We did not see any good rally till then. So from December 2010 we saw good rally. Going back to 2009, you can see the same December period there was a rally into January, which lasted till about I think April. You go back again to about 2008, 2009. We did see lower lows and lower highs. This was where we feel we saw a rally here. You see this December, a rally until it plunged. So December has always been a good month for rallies, where people make last, as I always say, I call it the window dressing rally and the Santa Claus rally. So I can say the Santa Claus rally worked well this year, and the optimism created should prevent any strong retreat before the new year is over. Once again, the NSE ASI, NSE 30 and banking are the doorstep of their 5-day moving average zone. And looking at it now, because the 5-day moving average, I've always said the 5-day moving average is a terrible area to trend. It's a very dangerous trend to trend, because what happens within this area is that you see market rally for 1 day, it will lose momentum for 3 days, just like what we are seeing here under 5-day moving average. You see what happens, you see the damage it causes, everything under 5-day moving average. Here we see more of bear trend, so we need to see strong buybacks within 20,500 levels, or worst case scenario a bounce back above the 50-day moving average of about 20,231 for us to know the market is likely to rebound. If you look at other index, the NSE 30 is approaching that level after hitting the 100-day moving average. It's within the 5-day moving average too. These are areas we need to watch tomorrow. NSE banking the same, all within the 5-day moving average, trying to survive. And I did say the last time that my last report for 23rd, I did say we'll be looking at support levels within these areas. This is what I'm watching now. NSE food, beverage and tobacco, all same within the 5-day moving average and the 50-day moving average acting as resistance. Insurance is still flat, so we can't really say much about it. You see the damage 5-day moving average has done within this December. My fear is a cross below 5-day moving average and 50-day moving average is really going to be terrible, and that's why the market needs to hold within this level, because it dropped below this level. We are going back to 19,714. So those are areas we need to watch and see what the index does. So for now, the NSE, since it's trading be above a medium, 50 is medium, 5 is short, so medium is the index is here. So we're trading above a 50-day moving average and a 5-day moving average, meaning we're trading above a short term and a medium term moving average. So the market for now remains bullish until they break below these levels. Now we're going to look at what are the big players, what did the big players did today. We'll be looking at NBL. You can see all what I've been saying are all trending within that 5-day moving average. If NBL doesn't hold up by 104 tomorrow, it's going to be bad. That means we'll be coming down. We'll be seeing NBL within the 100 to, let's say, 98. But this we need to monitor. So for now, I'll call it a day and wish you happy trading tomorrow night.